Exercise 8.1 Binomial Theorem, Class 11th Maths, NCERT. Exercise 8.1. Question number 2. Two by x minus x by 2 and their power 5. We know that the binomial theorem a plus b raised to power n is equal to nc0 a raised to power n b raised to power 0 plus nc1 a raised to power n minus 1 b raised to power 1 plus nc2 a raised to power n minus 2 b raised to power 2 and plus so on up to ncn a raised to power 0 b raised to power n. सेम इसमें लगाएंगे बाइनोमियल थ्योरम को. हमने बाइनोमियल थ्योरम ऊपर लिखी हुई है. देन दिस 5c0 this a is 2 by x raised to power 5 and minus x by 2 raised to power 0 is 1 plus 5c1 2 by x raised to power 4 and minus x by 2 raised to power 1 plus 5c2 2 by x raised to power 3 minus x by 2 raised to power 2 plus 5c3 2 by x raised to power 2 minus x by 2 raised to power 3. Then 5c4 2 by x raised to power 1 minus x by 2 raised to power 4 plus 5c5 2 by x minus x by 2 raised to power 5. Then solve it. 5c0 is 1 and 2 by 5 2 raised to power 5 is 32 upon x raised to power 5. This first term. 5c1 is 5 into 2 raised to power 4. एक 2 raised to power 4 यहाँ पे है, 2 यहाँ पे एक कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगी. 2 raised to power 3 is 8 और x raised to power 4 यहाँ है, x raised to power 1 यहाँ है, x raised to power 3 रह जाएगी और नेगेटिव वैल्यू आएगी. दिस वैल्यू इज नेगेटिव अपॉन x raised to power 3 एंड देन नेक्स्ट वैल्यू पॉजिटिव आएगी. दिस 5c2 is 10. 5 into 4 upon 3 into 2, yes, 3 factorial, 2 factorial, this cancel out, 3 factorial to 3 factorial, 10. This value is 10. 5c2 is 10. This 2 raised to power 3 and this 2 raised to power 2, this only 2 upon x. x raised to power 3, x raised to power 2 cancel out, only x raised to power 1 बचेगी, वो भी डिनोमिनेटर में. And this value is positive because minus x square is plus x square. Then this 5c3 is 15. 5c3 5 into 4 into this 3 factorial upon 3 factorial into 2, this 10. 5c3 5 factorial upon 3 factorial and 5 minus 3 2 factorial. The same is 5 into 4 into 3 factorial upon 3 factorial into 2 factorial. This cancel out to this 10 here. Then this 10 5c3 and 5c2 NC and minus r both are same. Then this term and this term both are same. Then 10 5c3 is 10. This 2 raised to power 2 2 रेज टू पावर 2, यहाँ 2 रेज टू पावर 3, एक पावर बचेगी 2 रेज टू पावर की, तो 2 बचेगा नीचे डिनोमिनेटर में, यहाँ पे 2 बचेगा। और यहाँ पे माइनस की पावर है, दैट मीन्स ओड नंबर है तो नेगेटिव आएगा। दिस x की पावर 2, दिस x की पावर 3, एक x की टर्म बचेगी। एंड देन नेक्स्ट पावर, नेक्स्ट पॉजिटिव, देन 5c4, 5c4, 5c4 is 5, 5c4 is 5, and then 2 raised to power 1, this 2 raised to power 4, 2 raised to power 3 नीचे बचेगी हमारे पास, this x raised to power 1, this x raised to power 4, ये पॉजिटिव टर्म आएगी, पावर 4 है, बट दिस कैंसिल आउट टू दिस, तो x की पावर 3 बचेगी ऊपर, x की पावर 3। एंड नेक्स्ट टर्म हमारे पास लास्ट में जो टर्म है 5c5, दिस 1, दिस 2 रेज टू पावर, जो हमारे पास यहाँ पे है एक पावर है और यहाँ पे पावर 5 है, तो पावर 4 बचेगी, 2 रेज टू पावर 4, 2 रेज टू पावर 4, और यहाँ पे जो हमारे पास x की पावर 4 बचेगी, बट टर्म जो हमारे पास है वो क्या आएगी, नेगेटिव टर्म आएगी, दिस x रेज टू पावर 4, this x raised to power 5, this no, this value is 0, 2 by x raised to power 1, यहाँ पे वैल्यू 0 आएगी, यहाँ पे 5, क्यों, बिकॉज द सम इज 5, तो इसका मतलब ये टर्म हमारी क्या आएगी, 2 रेज टू पावर x रेज टू पावर 5, 2 रेज टू पावर 5, this value also 5, clear? this, अब आंसर लिखेंगे, this 32 x raised to power 5 minus 40 upon x cube plus 20 upon x, this minus 5x, and then this 5 by 8 x cube, and then last term is minus x raised to power 5 upon 32। चेक करेंगे आंसर, 32 upon x raised to power 5 minus 40 upon x cube plus 20 upon x minus 5x plus 5 by 8x cube minus 5x raised to power 5 upon 32, the right answer। तो हमारे पास बाइनोमियल से हमने क्वेश्चन को किया, इज द करेक्ट आंसर। देन थर्ड क्वेश्चन करेंगे अभी। क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड, टू एक्स माइनस 3, सॉल्यूशन थर्ड, 2x minus 3 raised to power 6. The binomial is, हम डायरेक्टली बाइनोमियल थ्योरम खोल देंगे। This 6c0 2x raised to power 6 plus 6c1 2x raised to power 5 minus 3 raised to power 1, 6c2 2x raised to power 4 minus 3 raised to power 2, 6c3 2x raised to power 3 minus 3 raised to power 3, and then plus 6c4 2x raised to power 2 minus 3 raised to power what? 4, because the sum is 6. The 6c5 2x raised to power 1 and minus 3 raised to power 5 plus 6c6 2x रेज टू पावर 0, दैट मीन्स आप इसको ना ही लिखे तो ठीक है, अदरवाइज लास्ट में प्रॉब्लम होती है, -3 रेज टू पावर 6. Then next 6 is 1, this one 2x raised to power 6, 2x raised to power 6, इसका मतलब क्या है कि कंप्लीट जो हमारे पास पावर है वो इसकी पावर है, ना कि सिर्फ x की पावर. दैट मीन्स 2x raised to power 6, 2x raised to power 6, this 64 x raised to power 6, 61 is 6. Then 2 raised to power 5, 2 raised to power 5 is 32, 32 into -3, 3 2 just 6, 3 3 just 9, minus 96, minus into -96, and x raised to power 5. Then next 62, 6 into 5 into 4 factorial upon 4 factorial into 2. 4 factorial से 4 factorial cancel out हो जाएगा और 2 3 just 6, 3 5 just 15. This value is 15. 6 minus 2, 4 factorial, 2 factorial. Yes, this value is 15. 62 15. 2 raised to power 4. 2 raised to power 4 is 16. This value is 16. And then x की power 4, this x की power 4 और -3 square is 9. मल्टीप्लाई बाद में कर लेंगे. Then 63 कैसे होगा? 6 factorial 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial upon 3 factorial into 3 factorial. 3 into 2 into 1. This 3 factorial से 3 factorial, 3 2 just 6. 5 4 just 20. This value is 20. Then 20. 2 raised to power 3 is 8. X raised to power 3. And this multiply 3 3 just 9. 9 3 just 27. This 27. And this value is negative. Because -3 की power क्या है? Odd है. And then 64 and 63 are same. Then this value is 20 plus 20 into 2 raised to power 2. 2 raised to power 2 is 4. 2 raised to power 2. No, this value 64. 64 may be equal to this 15. 64 62 के इक्वल है. Yes, this value is 15. NCR is equal to NC n minus R. This value is 15 and this 2 raised to power 2 is 4. Then x raised to power 2 and 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 4 टाइम आएगा. This 4 टाइम पॉजिटिव वैल्यू आएगी. 3 3 जा 9, 9 3 जा 27, 27 3 जा 81. That's 81. And 65 is 6. This value is negative. And this 2x into this value is 2x. And then 3 raised to power 5. 81 into 3. 243. 243 into this value is 243. And 61 is 1. And then this value is 243. 243 into 3. No. This value is plus 729. मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 64 into 1, 64 x raised to power 6 minus 96 into 6 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 96 into 6. This 576. This 576 x raised to power 5 plus 15 into 16 into 9. 15 into 16 into 9 is equal to 2160. Its value is 2160 x raised to power 4, and then 160, this value 160, because 20 into 8, 160 into 27 into 27, 160 into 27, and this value is 4320. This value is 4320 and x raised to power 3. And next, Indra Chowk 60. This value is positive 4860, and this value is x raised to power 2, and then minus 243 into 12, 243 into 12 is 2916 into x plus 729. Check this. 64 x raised to power 6 minus 576 x raised to power 5, 2160 x raised to power 4, yes, minus 4320 x cube plus 4860 x square is minus 2916 x plus 729 is the correct answer. तो आप क्वेश्चन को इजीली कर सकते हैं, नो प्रॉब्लम. सिर्फ आपकी कैलकुलेशन है 60, 61, 62, ये वैल्यूज आपको पता होनी चाहिए. दैट मीन्स NCR जो आपके पास फॉर्मूला है n फैक्टोरियल अपॉन n माइनस r फैक्टोरियल इनटू r फैक्टोरियल. यूज दिस फॉर्मूला ऑफ कॉम्बिनेशन एंड देन कंप्लीट दिस NC0, NC1, NC2. नेक्स्ट वन, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आप ये फोर्थ क्वेश्चन आप खुद करेंगे, ट्राई योर सेल्फ. एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, x plus 1 by x raised to power 6, then 60 x raised to power 6 plus 61 x raised to power 5 into 1 by x plus 62 x raised to power 4 into 1 by x, this square, this power 1, and then 63 x raised to power 3, 1 by x raised to power 3, and then plus 64 x raised to power 2, 1 by x raised to power 4, plus 65 x raised to power 1, 1 by x raised to power 5, and 66 or 1 by x raised to power 6. Then solve this. 60 is 1 into x raised to power 6. 61 is 6 x raised to power 5, and this power denominator x cancel out, this x raised to power 4. 62 अभी हमने किया था 6 into 5, 62, 6 into 5, 15. This 15 x raised to power this 4 and this 2, then only x raised to power 2 बचेगी. Then next 63 is 20, and 20 into x raised to power 3 totally cancel out हो जाएगा 60, and 64 is equal to 62, and 62 is 15, and 15 and x raised to power upon x, this power 4 power 2, क्या बचेगी x square, पावर बचेगी x square डिनोमिनेटर में. And the next term 65 is only 6, and then x raised to power 4, and then this 66 is 1 upon x raised to power 6. Then x raised to power 6 plus 6x raised to power 4 plus 15x square plus 20 plus 15x square डिनोमिनेटर में आएगा 6x raised to power 4 plus 1 by x raised to power 6 is the answer of this question. X raised to power 6, 6x raised to power 4, 15x square, 20 plus 15 upon x square, 6 upon x की power 4 plus 1 by x raised to power 6. Yes. अभी जो next question है, using binomial theorem evaluate each of the following. हमें binomial का ही use करके इन questions को solve करना है, ना कि direct multiply करनी है. Use binomial theorem and then solve. So, question number 6. Use binomial theorem. 96 raised to power 3. 96 raised to power 3. 96 को मैं लिख सकता हूँ this 100 plus minus 4. So 100 minus 4 raised to power 3. बाइनोमियल थ्योरम यूज करेंगे 3c0 100 raised to power 3 plus 3c1 100 raised to power 2 minus 4 raised to power 1 plus 3c2 100 raised to power 1 minus 4 raised to power 2 and then plus 3c3 100 raised to power 0 and minus 4 raised to power 3 and then solve. 3c0 is 1 into 100 raised to power 3, there's 6 zeros, plus 3c1 is 3, there's 300, there's 100 raised to power 4, that means 4 zeros, and then minus 4 multiplied to 1 time, this 4 3 is 12, this minus 12 and 4 zeros, and this plus 3c2 is also 3 into this 100 into 100 and then minus 4 multiplied to 2 times, this plus 16, and the next minus 64 and then solve this. This 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 plus this 48 4 8 2 0 and then minus 1 2 0 0 6 4 and then 2 0 0 0 4 8 0 0 then 4 6 0 0 2 1 and then subtract, then 6 and then 9 minus 6 3 7 4, that's 10 minus 2 8, 9 minus 1 8. This answer is 8 8 4 7 3 6 is the cube of 96. The cube of 96. 884736 is the correct answer. ऐसे ही आप नेक्स्ट पार्ट को कर सकते हैं. एक क्वेश्चन और आप 99 रेज टू पावर 5 को आप कर सकते हैं. मैं 102 रेज टू पावर 5 करा देता हूं. 102 रेज टू पावर 5. This question number 7. 102 raised to power 5. This 100 plus 2 raised to power 5. उसमें हमने 96 को लिखा था 100 minus 4. क्यों लिखा था? क्योंकि इजीली हम उसको मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते थे 100 को. ऐसे ही यहाँ पे 100 plus 2 इसीलिए लिखा कि इजीली हम 100 की मल्टीप्लाई और 2 की मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं पावर्स में. So 100 plus 2, this 5c0, 100 raised to power 5 plus 5c1 100 raised to power 4 2 raised to power 1, 5c2 100 raised to power 3 2 raised to power 1 plus 5c3 100 raised to power 2 and 2 raised to power this 2 power is 2 and power is 3. Then 5c4 100 raised to power 1 and 2 raised to power 4 plus 5c5 100 raised to power 0 and 2 raised to power 5, and then 5c0 is 1 into 100 raised to power 5 to 0 4 3 time multiply 4 time 5. Then 5c1 is 5, this 5 to the 10, this 10 and multiply 4 time 100, this 1 2 3 4, and then 5c2 is 5 factorial 5 into 4 into 3 factorial upon 3 factorial into 2, this value is 10. 5c2 is 10 2 to the 4 40 and 3 time multiply 2 and 6 time 3 time multiply हो गया 100, and then 5c3 is also 10 2 into 2 into 2 is 8 0, 5c3 is 10 multiply by 8 80, and then 100 multiply 2 times, then 4 zeros, and this 5c4 is 5 into 2 raised to power 4 is 2 raised to power 4 is 16, and 16 into 5 80 and 2 zeros, and 5c5 is 100 raised to power 0 is 1, 2 raised to power 5 is 32, this value is 32, and sum of all the terms 2 4 6 8 10 2 4 6 8 10, and then add this 2 4 6 8 and then 6 2 4 6 and 40, and then 2 pair and 80, and then 8000, this 8000, and then 32. Total sum is 2 3 0 8 0 8 0 4 0 1 1 1104080803 is the 102 raised to power 5. This 110